Okay, here 6 plus 3 is 9 times here 5 minus 2 in bracket whole power 2 divided by 3 minus 4. Here 9 times the bracket here is 5 minus 2 is 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 minus 4. Here 9 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9 divided by 3 minus 4. Here 9 times 9 is 81 divided by 3 minus 4. Here 27 minus 4. Here 27 minus 4 is 23 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 23 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 6 plus 3 times, here bracket here is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is in power divided by 3 minus 4. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 3 to the power of 2. So we have to do this 3 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 6 plus 3 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9 divided by 3 minus 4. Here we have next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 times 9. So we have to do this 3 times 9 before any other operation. So 6 plus 3 times 9 is 27 divided by 3 minus 4. Here we have addition, division and subtraction. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do the division before this addition and subtraction. So 6 plus this is 27 divided by 3 is 9 minus 4. Here we have addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here the left to right is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 minus 4 is 11 is the correct answer.